Title: Skoda Octavia, a masterclass in design and performance. Opening scene. Visual: a sleek Skoda Octavia drives onto the screen, glistening under the sunlight, showcasing its striking exterior. Voiceover: welcome to Auto Explorer, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews. Today, we dive deep into the stunning exterior of the Skoda Octavia, a car that redefines elegance and performance. From its iconic design to its aerodynamic brilliance, let's explore what makes the Octavia stand out on the road. Segment 1. Front design. Visual: close-up shots of the Skoda Octavia's front grille, headlights, and bumper. Voiceover: at first glance, the Octavia commands attention with its bold and sophisticated front fascia. The signature butterfly grille, finished in glossy black with chrome accents, gives it a premium appeal. Flanking the grille are sleek, full LED matrix headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add a sharp, futuristic edge. The sculpted bumper with dynamic air intakes ensures a perfect blend of aerodynamics and aggression. Segment 2. Side profile. Visual: a panning shot highlighting the car's flowing lines, alloy wheels, and door design. Voiceover: moving to the side, the Skoda Octavia's streamlined profile exudes grace and efficiency. The sharp character lines running across the body enhance its dynamic stance. Available in 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels, the Octavia offers a sporty appeal with intricate spoke designs. The sloping roofline seamlessly merges into the rear, giving it a fastback-inspired silhouette, a signature touch that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Segment 3. Rear design. Visual: focused shots of the taillights, boot lid, and rear bumper. Voiceover: at the rear, the Octavia continues to impress with its clean yet stylish design. The sharp LED taillights, inspired by the brand's crystalline design language, illuminate with a distinctive pattern. The sculpted boot lid, adorned with the bold Skoda lettering, adds to its premium presence. The sporty rear bumper, with integrated reflectors and an aerodynamic diffuser, further enhances its road presence, giving it a confident, modern look. Segment 4. Performance and heritage. Visual: the Octavia cruising on highways, showcasing stability and smoothness. Voiceover: beyond aesthetics, the Octavia's exterior plays a crucial role in its performance. Its lightweight yet robust body structure enhances fuel efficiency and driving dynamics, a legacy spanning over 2 decades. The Octavia has continuously evolved, blending timeless design with cutting-edge innovation, making it one of Skoda's most celebrated models worldwide. Closing scene. Visual: a dramatic shot of the Octavia driving into the sunset. Voiceover: the Skoda Octavia is a masterpiece of engineering, a car that seamlessly combines elegance, aerodynamics, and performance. What do you think about the Octavia's exterior design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Explorer for more detailed car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious. End scene.